we are discussing human fetus within the uterus. You see that this one, it is that embryo. We called as embryo, but so this is that baby. Yeah. So embryo, it is a baby. Embryo is formed baby. So what are this here? Umbilical cord, uterus, chorion, amnion, amniotic fluid, fetus. Fetus means you know that. So this is a baby. Fallopian tubes. So three layers first formed. Okay, so embryonic layers are formed. Ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm is very helpful for that in that formation of the tissues, organ systems, and blood vessels. Everything it will be created in the produced in this at each layer. Yeah. So next one it is that embryonic membranes. So first we discussed about the amnion. So amnion, it is a double-walled structure. Do you know that it is that double-walled structure? It is double-walled structure. So it is full of this in the fluid like this, fluid like structure, that is called amniotic fluid. What helpful for that? What is the uses of this amniotic fluid? It protect the embryo or fetus, and also for this the buoyancy. Yeah, buoyancy of the environment to protect the embryo from injury, regulates the temperature, everything it will be followed by that in the amnion. The fetus can move for that in this only used for the amniotic fluid. Sorry, understand? So next one it is yolk sac. Yolk sac not here. Yeah. Next one it is yolk sac. So yolk sac produces for this that fetus cut and thus blood vessels. So the yolk sac it can be destroyed at the formation of this cut and full baby form is it will be disorganized. Next one it is so the allantois. Allantois is after the end of this that caudal fins are. Caudal fins means கை கால் இதெல்லாம் வரும் இல்லையா. ஸோ அந்த கை காலெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு என்ன செஞ்சிடும் அப்படின்னா இந்த யோக் சாக் வந்து இதாயிடும். Next one it is allantois. It is a pocket like stretches. எப்படி இருக்க பார்க்கறதுக்கு allantois? It is a pocket like stretches. பார்க்கறதுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கு? It is at pocketing like stretches. So the caudal end of this that yolk sac. Next one it is at umbilical cord it will be produced. Umbilical cord, that is embryo to the placenta and this the mother. The placenta is connects as mother and the fetus. It gives the nutrition to that in the mother to fetus. So only through placenta. So next one it is chorion. Chorion, it is that outermost layer. So all are enclosed by this. Three layers or three membranes are enclosed by that in the chorion. So chorion, it is also this protecting functions. Okay, it is also a protecting function, and also this most important function is formation of placenta. Formation of placenta. Umbilical cord, placenta is similar meaning. So next one it is draboblast. Draboblast means several finger-like projections are here, that is called this chorionic villi. Chorionic villi. So it is carrying only the fetal blood. Fetal blood. Okay. So only having for this a fetal blood. It is separated from this a maternal blood. Maternal blood means mother blood. Yeah, so it only for that in the draboblast that chorionic villi is carried out for is separated this maternal and paternal blood. Maternal means mother blood, paternal means fetus blood. So the uterine tissues is disc-shaped placenta will be produced. Okay, the chorionic villi uterine tissues to form disc-shaped structures, that is called placenta. So placenta, it is a temporary organ, temporary endocrine organ in the fetus. Why? During the pregnancy it will be produced. It will be produced. Simply you say that after the delivery is not used. So careful for the carrying of this that mother. So that is not used. Okay? It connects the fetus, uterine wall and the umbilical cord. It is through this nutritive and respiratory and excretory system. Everything it will be going or away, exit or entry in the only that umbilical cord are called as placenta. all this responsible for all the functions responsible for that in the placenta. All the functions means nutritive, respiratory and excretory functions. These functions are responsible for the in the placenta. Sorry, understand? So first important one in this fourth week, that heart is functioning, the heart is produced. Okay, fourth week the pregnancy circulates through the umbilical cord, it will be produced. So that means the heart, it will be developed in the fourth week. So next we discussed about this in the primary germ layers. Do you know that already we discussed about this germ layers, ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. So each layers, what are the organs are derived from here in the blastocyst. Okay, so the layer serves as a primitive disease which all our body organs will be developed. Ectoderm, we know that ectoderm, it is that inner derm. So it followed by this, what are this organal system, peripheral nervous system. Totally we see that nervous system is formed. Central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, epidermis means that skin. Derivatives of this mammalian glands. Do you know that mammalian glands are formed by that in the ectoderm? Or understand? Ectoderm. So next one, it is released from that in the excretory system. Genital tract, urinary-genital system, connecting tissue, cartilages, bones, muscles, everything it can be comes from that in the what? Mesoderm. So totally we say that for excretory system, bone, muscles, urinary genital system are formed by that in the mesoderm. So next one, remaining parts. So gastrointestinal and respiratory tract, liver, pancreas, thyroid, parathyroid comes from that endodermal system. That means endoderm. So this is the functions of the germ layers. So human pregnancy totally 280 days. So we called as 10 months. Okay. So weekly we got to calculate for this 40 weeks. So this is called as castration. So just we called it for pregnancy. Okay. So but this in the medicinal field or medical field called out castration. So it can be divided convenience. For our convenience, it can be 3 trimesters. 3 trimesters means each 3 months. Okay, 3 months each. Tri means 3. Tri means 3. நம்மளோட கன்வீனியன்ஸ்க்காக அதை என்ன செஞ்சுட்டு இருக்கோம், 3 பிரிக்க போகிறோம். First trimester. So first trimester means it is formed for this organogenesis. The organogenesis means the germ layers formed this organs, tissues and blood vessels. Everything it will be followed by this. That first 3 months. First 3 months it will be developed. So only for this heart, limbs, lungs, liver, external genital organs, male or female. In 3 months we have to find out. So it is not find out. Okay. Find out, but it is சட்டத்துக்கு புறமானு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க. Okay, external genital organs are well developed. Okay, next one is that at the end of this first trimester, the second trimester it will be followed. So that second trimester what will be, it will be produced or develops. So what are the face, eyelashes, eye blinks. Okay, so the best one it is on our human organs, eye and heart. Heart is produced in this fourth week of the embryo development. So and this and in the second trimester followed formed by that in the eyes, hair, muscles, tissues, everything, bones become harder. Bones are produced in this the first trimester, but it's not harder. But in the second trimester it will be formed. So the fully baby are formed, the fully fetus are formed. It is ready to deliver the end of the 9 months. That is the third trimester. So for our convenience, the pregnancy period is, it can be divided into 3. First trimester, the organogenesis it will be followed. Second trimester, So the facial systems, eyes, lines, brings body is a gas, muscle tissues, it will be developed, bones are corded. So that